suitable for automatic drilling in various industries such as wind turbine cabin covers, aviation manufacturing, hardware accessories, outdoor camping equipment, etc. Multi-head and multi-axis automatic drilling suitable for environmental protection industries such as wind turbine hood plastic strips and plastic PVC, using a rotary switch to control the rotation of the drilling power head, achieving one-click safe drilling, equipped with positioning support fixtures, eliminating the hassle of customers making clamping and grinding tools themselves. This machine tool is designed and manufactured specifically for drilling plastic PVC holes in the cabin cover of wind turbines, with a multi-axis structure for the entire machine, capable of quickly drilling out 128 holes on a 4-meter-long plastic PVC continuously. The drilling distance between the two shafts is 32 mm, and the drilling depth can be adjusted according to the thickness of the plastic strip, which is 1.8 to 50 mm. After drilling the holes on one side, turn the plastic PVC round to continuously drill out the 128 drill routes on the other side. Fast drilling speed, no breakage, no bars, capable of drilling 32 holes at a time.